Understanding SR-22 insurance definition, purpose, and requirements. What is SR-22 insurance? SR-22 insurance is a form of documentation required by certain state departments of motor vehicles, or DMVs, to verify that a driver carries the minimum required auto insurance coverage. It is not a type of insurance policy itself, but rather a certificate of financial responsibility provided by your insurance company. The SR-22 acts as proof that you are maintaining the necessary coverage to comply with your state's legal requirements after specific driving-related offenses. Reasons SR-22 insurance is used. SR-22 insurance is typically mandated for drivers who have been convicted of serious traffic violations or offenses. These offenses might include driving under the influence or DUI, reckless driving, or having multiple traffic violations within a short period. The SR-22 is used to monitor and ensure that these drivers remain insured and compliant with state laws. It serves as a safeguard to protect both the driver and others on the road by maintaining a record of ongoing insurance coverage. Requirements and time limits. The requirement for SR-22 insurance varies by state, but generally involves maintaining continuous auto insurance coverage for a specified period, often ranging from 3 to 5 years. During this period, the insurance company must submit the SR-22 form to the state's DMV or equivalent authority. If there are lapses in coverage, such as non-payment of premiums or cancellation of the policy, the insurance company must notify the state, which could result in additional penalties or suspension of driving privileges. SR-22 insurance is typically issued following a conviction for serious traffic violations or legal infractions that indicate a higher risk of non-compliance with insurance requirements. Common reasons for SR-22 issuance include risky driving behaviors and reckless driving habits, DUIs, DWIs, speeding, a hit-and-run accident, driving without insurance, not having sufficient insurance coverage, or accumulating too many points on your driving record. If a driver fails to comply with the SR-22 requirements, it can lead to further legal consequences, including additional fines or suspension of driving privileges. While the SR-22 form proves that you have the required insurance coverage, it does not dictate the terms of your coverage. The insurance policy must still meet the minimum liability limits required by the state that issued the SR-22. If you are renting a vehicle out of state or on vacation, the SR-22 insurance requirement generally does not change. However, you should ensure that your insurance policy extends coverage to rental vehicles and out-of-state driving. It's crucial to check with your insurance provider about the specifics of your coverage when traveling or renting vehicles. The SR-22 requirement typically lasts for a specific duration set by the state, such as 3 to 5 years, depending on the severity of the offense and state regulations. To know when your SR-22 obligation is over, you should keep track of the time frame specified by the court or your state's DMV. Once the required period has passed and you have maintained continuous insurance coverage, you can request your insurance provider to notify the state that you have fulfilled the SR-22 requirement. This notification will typically result in the SR-22 requirement being removed from your record, allowing you to resume normal insurance status. Remember, it is up to you to keep track of the ending date and to request your insurance provider to notify the state. In summary, SR-22 insurance is an important regulatory measure designed to ensure that high-risk drivers maintain adequate auto insurance coverage. Understanding the requirements, duration, and implications of SR-22 insurance can help you navigate the process more effectively and ensure compliance with state laws. Whether dealing with violations, renting vehicles, or keeping track of your SR-22 period, being informed about the specifics of SR-22 insurance can assist you in managing your driving record and insurance obligations. Always remember, safely driving your vehicle and having adequate insurance coverage is up to you and no one else. Oh, and click on the link in the description below for your free ebook titled Understanding Your Options. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful insurance info and tips.